Hi guys! Today we are learning how to enter coordinates in Google Maps. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Maps app. Once the app opens, wait for the map to load completely. You'll see the search bar at the top of the screen. That's where you'll enter your coordinates. Now tap the search bar at the top of the screen. If you've already copied the coordinates, you're ready for the next step. The search bar accepts coordinates just like it accepts addresses. Just simply prepare to paste them into the field. Press and hold inside the search field, then tap Paste. Your copied coordinates will appear in the search bar. Double-check that the coordinates are pasted correctly. Now you're ready to search for the location. After pasting the coordinates, tap the search button. Google Maps will immediately locate the exact place matching those coordinates. The location will be displayed on the map with a pin. You can now confirm that you've found the correct destination. Once the location appears, you can tap directions to get the best route. If you're ready to navigate, tap Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation. You can also review the location details before starting your trip. Your coordinates have now been entered successfully. And that's how you can easily enter coordinates in Google Maps step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.